for our flag racing bird, Bandit. But before we start this friendly battle, I'll be dividing you guys in two groups. Now all the boys will cheer for blue. Come on boys, say go blue, go blue. And all the girls will cheer for azul. Come on girls, say go azul, go azul. So is everyone ready for the basketball game? Hinain yung energy guys. Are you guys ready? Alright, birds ready. Trainers ready? Set, go. Let's go blue, let's go azul. First ball by blue, followed by azul. Let's go azul. Second ball by blue, followed by azul. And blue wins the basketball game. So that's alright azul. So trainer Andre, you lose this round. What can you say?
Holy trainer, next we want another race.
So what race you have in mind?
What race, trainer?
So I suggest a ring race. The mechanics of this game is the first bird to drop all 3 rings into the hole. The fastest is the winner, and that's a ring race.
So a ring race it shall be. Now is everyone ready for the second round? Wala na po may energy. Are you guys ready? Alright, birds ready. Trainers ready? Set, go. Let's go azul, let's go blue. First ring by blue, let's go azul. Second ring by blue, let's go azul. And azul drop all 3 rings at the same time. Let's go blue. Blue flies over. Grabs the money. What's next, blue? What's next, blue? Blue flies back to the table and blue wants to donate your money. So okay lang ba ma'am yun eh? Since okay man ma'am, how about a second round? This time blue. And with trainer Andre is Goldie. First up, on your right, with trainer Nix, we have our green wing macaw Bandit. Now as you can see, Bandit is covered with mostly red plumage. His tails and wing feathers are color blue and green. So Bandit has a white naked face striped with small red feathers. Also, Bandit's scientific name is Arachloropterus. Now say hi to everyone, Bandit. Hi! Other side. Hi. Now up next with trainer Andre, we have our blue and gold macaw Goldie. Now for Bandit and our blue and gold macaw Goldie. So parrots in particular are highly perceptive animals. Now let's call in Bandit once again. He's gonna show to us how intelligent he is by putting back the shapes on its correct spots. That Bandit have is very essential for Bandit to find food, shelter, and a good place to nest. Flashy Bandit. There you go, intelligent, right? A round of applause for Bandit. So if you think Goldie can find the hidden object, let me hear you cheer. You can do it, Goldie! Alright, Goldie, find us the hidden object. Goldie's searching, scanning each cup, using her psychic powers. And she found it! A round of applause for our psychic bird, Goldie. Rainforest. Also, Tweety is very distinguishable because of its yellow crest. So this is their crest. So, twin known as the white cockatoo or the great white crested cockatoo. So, Nigel is also very distinguishable because of its woolly white crest that raises up like an umbrella.